friends, today's date is 13th September 2021 and today's video topic is encapsulations. So first we have to see the what is the object-oriented programming language. Object-oriented programming language is provides the four pillars that is mostly used in the in OOPS concept. First one is inheritance, second one is encapsulation, third one is polymorphism, and uh, fourth one is abstractions. So now we can see the encapsulation in detail. Encapsulation in Java is a process of wrapping the code and the data together into a single unit. For example, a capsule. A capsule is a which is mixed of several medicines. Now we can create the fully encapsulated class in Java by making all the data members of the class private. Now we can use the setter and getter method to set and get the data in it. In Java, the bin class is the example of a fully encapsulated class. So encapsulated are mostly used in Java. Now we can see the advantages of encapsulation by providing only setter and getter method. You can make a class read only and write only. In other words, you can skip the getter and setter method, and also it provides the control over the data. Suppose we want to set the value of id which should be greater than 100 only. Then we can write the logic inside in the setter method, and we can write the logic not to store the negative numbers in the setter method. It is a way to achieve the data hiding in Java because of other class will not be able to access the data through the private data members, and encapsulated class is easy to test, and encapsulated is better for the unit test, and the standard IDs are providing the facility to generate the getter and setters. So it is easy and fast to create an encapsulated class in Java. Now we can see the example of the encapsulation in Java. Suppose let's see the example, simple example of encapsulation in Java. Suppose there has only one fields with its setter and getter method. For example, Java class which is fully encapsulated class, and it is provide the data members setter and getter method. Suppose we have to create the class student, and we can create the private data members, that is the private string name. Now we can create the getter method for the name, then public string get name, and it is return the name. Now we can create the setter method of a name, then public void set name is set name, and in bracket string name, and it is this dot name is equal to name, and now we can create the another class class test, and we can create the in a public static void main string arguments. It is the main method. Now we can create the instance of the encapsulated class. Then student s is equal to new student, and then setting the value in the name member, then yes dot set name, and in bracket in a double quote, suppose ram, and getting the value of the name member, then can print the statement system dot out dot println, and yes dot get name, then run this program, and out will be shown as the ram. Now you can see the another example is a read only class. Java class has a which has a only getter methods, that is the public class student, and we can declare the data member as a private, then private string college is equal to abcd. Now we can get the method for the college, then public string get college, and it is return the college. Now we cannot change the value of the college data member, which is abcd, and the s dot set college set college xyz will it is the render and compile, it is provide the compile time error. Now we can see the example of the write only class. Java class, in a Java class which has only the setter method, then it is the we can create the class public class student, and we can create the data members, that is the private data members, then private string college, and now we can use the getter method for college. It is the public void set college, and in bracket string college, and this dot college is equal to college, and we cannot get the value of the college if you can only change the value of college data member. Now we can see the system dot println, and s dot get college name. At the time compile time error, because there is no such method, and system dot println s dot college also compile time error, because the college data member is private, so it cannot be accessed from outside the class. And next example, and another example of the encapsulation in Java is has only 4 fields with its setter and getter method. Suppose we have to create the account class, which is a fully encapsulated class, and it has a private data member, and a getter and setter method. Then class account can create the private data members, then private long account number, and private string name, email, then private float amount. Then we can create the getter and setter method as a public long integer get account number, and return the account number. Now we can create the set account number, that is the public void set account number, and bracket long account number. This dot account number is equal to account number, and public string get name, it is the return the name. Now create the set name method, then public void set name in bracket string name, this dot name is equal to name, and public string get email, it is return the email. And next method is a public void set email, the string email, and this dot email is equal to email. Now we can create the public float get amount, it is return the amount, then public void set amount, it is in bracket float amount, and this dot amount is equal to amount. Now we can create the another class. In a class we can create the instance of the account class, then account AAC is equal to new account, Now setting the values through the setter method. AC dot set account number in bracket 123745 L, and set AC dot set name ABCD, and AC dot set email xyz @gmail.com, and now can AC dot set amount 5000. Now getting the values through the getter method, then system dot out dot println AC dot get account number, and AC dot get name, then AC dot get email, and AC dot get amount. Then output will be shown in the console, as console in the console. And this is all about the encapsulation in Java. Thank you so much.